Hello everyone! Japan is facing the wrath of Super Typhoon Shanshan, one of the strongest storms ever recorded. Early on August 29th, Typhoon Shanshan made landfall in the Kyushu region, bringing with it terrifying winds of up to 252 km/h, along with torrential rain and fierce ocean waves. The aftermath has led to widespread landslides and flooding, which could occur at any moment. Thousands of residents were evacuated overnight, with thousands of homes plunged into darkness due to power outages, and the transportation system is nearly completely paralyzed. In this video, we'll bring you the latest updates on this emergency situation and the damage caused by Super Typhoon Shanshan. On the morning of August 29th, 2024, Typhoon number 10 Shanshan made landfall in southern Japan, causing severe damage in many areas, particularly on the island of Kyushu. The Japanese government issued the highest level warnings for wind and storm surges, and tens of thousands of people in high-risk areas were ordered to evacuate. The typhoon brought wind gusts of up to 252 km/h, along with heavy rain and high waves, leading to the risk of widespread landslides and flooding. In Kagoshima Prefecture, rainfall reached up to 1,100 mm in 48 hours. Infrastructure damage includes the cancellation of hundreds of flights and power outages, affecting over 300,000 homes. Additionally, at least 60 people have been injured, and 2 people remain missing due to landslides in Aichi Prefecture. Rescue and relief operations are urgently underway. Typhoon Shanshan has caused major disruptions to transportation in Japan. Many railway lines, including Shinkansen high-speed trains, have been cancelled or suspended, particularly in the Kyushu region. Airlines such as Japan Airlines and ANA have cancelled hundreds of domestic and international flights. Numerous roads have been flooded, making travel difficult. Local authorities are advising residents to stay off the roads and follow evacuation guidelines. As of 10 a.m. on August 29th, Typhoon number 10 is approaching Amakusa City and moving northward at a speed of 15 km/h. The central pressure is 965 HPa, with maximum wind speeds near the center reaching 40 ms. According to forecasts, the typhoon will be approximately 30 km north of Oita City at 9 a.m. on August 30th, and it will reach the Kinki region by 9 a.m. on September 1st. After that, it is expected to move northeast around eastern Japan and reach the Sanriku coast by 9 a.m. on September 3rd. The areas surrounding and along the storm's path will experience strong winds and heavy rainfall, while coastal regions along the typhoon's route will face severe storm surges, requiring extreme caution. Typhoon Shanshan continues to wreak havoc across Japan, leaving behind a trail of immense damage. The losses and suffering are far from over, and the impact of the storm on people's lives is growing more severe by the day. We will continue to monitor and update the situation regarding Typhoon Shanshan in our upcoming videos, bringing you the latest and most accurate information. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others so we can all prepare and respond to this natural disaster together. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any important updates from us in the future. We're here to help you get through these challenging times.